Okay people, here's what we have today. 2004 Nissan Xterra XE 4x4. 132,000 original miles. This thing's clean. Look inside, still has the owner's manual. New rockers. You know how the rockers go on these? These are new rockers. Look under the doors. This thing's clean. It's a 3-owner with a clean Carfax. It's a 4x4 off-road package. Tonneau cover, bed liner. Look at those tires. This thing is $79.95. We take all kinds of payments and or trades. If you need help with financing, we can also help arrange that. No matter what your credit situation is. This comes with our 0 deductible service contract warranty, extended, good anywhere in the country, 3 months, 3,000 miles. If you want longer than that, that's on you. You may have your garage inspected prior to purchase. MagnaFlow exhaust. I mean, this is just a nice truck. So come check this out at Tempest Motors. And let's make this happen. Thanks for looking.